Welcome everyone then to the Celebrity Ascent. We are on the 9th floor. We are in one of the Aqua suites. We're in 9226. So come on through, let me show you the room, all of its main features, and also some safety tips to be careful of as well if you're thinking of booking. You get quite a few things included. So come on in. We'll start off then with showing you the main room. It is very large is what I would say, all finished beautifully. It's very modern. But what I like about it is it's all curved. Everything is all curved. There's not too many straight lines. Bed is huge. Now, when you're going for the Aqua Class, you do get upgraded bedding. So these pillows and these sheets and things will be top quality. So the bed is huge. You've got your bedside lamps with that. If you come closer as well, you'll see you've got plugs right next to you, but also some USBs really handy just next to you to charge your stuff. Handy just to turn the lights on and off as well, literally just click your finger. Flat screen TV, it's got a variety of channels. I've just got it on the live ship view. We're currently docked in Barcelona at the moment, so that's the current ship view from the front. You've then got a lovely area to get ready, which I'm sure Laura behind the camera will be using quite a lot. Getting yourself all dolled up there for a nice night out, Laura. Next to that you have got, I like the difference in colour so you know it's the fridge. You have got the fridge in here, which you can lock if you want to. Now, any of this, even if you get the drinks package, is not included. So bear that in mind. The minibar service is upcharged no matter what drinks package you've got. So do consider that. We showed you in our boarding vlog a little bit earlier, us buying loads of drinks to bring on board with us because we can fill this fridge with our own cans and drink them whenever we feel like without being charged. Here, you've got a little bit of a charging dock station. So you've got USBs, 3 different plugs. So you can plug stuff in, and what you do is you put your wire through here and shut the lid, which is quite nice. So you hide your plugs. You're not staring at your plugs. You have it all plugged in and then just have your wires coming out to charge your things. Love that, especially for someone like me with all my camera equipment and everything. Now, with your Aqua, you are going to have some Agua. Agua in Aqua. So these little plastic bottles, you get 2 of these every single day. The lovely room attendant will bring those each day when he cleans your room. These Evians, obviously not included. You also get a sparkling wine included as well. So he will come and ask you, when would you like your sparkling wine? You can have it today, whenever you feel like. You will get a nice bottle of sparkling wine to enjoy. Plenty of drawer space. Segmented as well, all soft close. It feels brand new, this room. There isn't a mark on it. Nice little sofa here. We're coming up to the main feature of these rooms in a second, but I like this because it almost doubles up as like a sun lounge. I like the way it's facing you out to the view that you've paid for. So it's super chill. I mean, I can see myself sitting here, editing, ignoring Laura. Very comfy as well, but you can also sit together as well and just relax and still see the TV. Nice that, comfy. Nice bedside lamp. Now, plenty of information on the spa. This is one of the other big things that is included in your Aqua suite, and that is the thermal spa. So you can use that unlimited access every single day to the thermal suite. You can then, of course, add on massages and things like that if you want to. This cruise and Celebrity and the Ascent is all about health, well-being. So you will see that throughout. The water, the access to the spa, all of those things come into it. And then this is your sort of main feature of these suites, is this little balcony come conservatory come extra living space. So if you want to keep it closed like this, you've got the glass there, you can just have it as like extended living space. So you can sit here, play some cards, play some Uno, do your laptop. It's like an extension of the room. Or you can use it like you would a balcony. So a lot of you love balconies on your cruises. You simply hold down the button and your window will open. And it becomes now like a balcony. I think it's fantastic. I really like this feature because a lot of times you go out onto the balcony and then you shut the door because it's hot and things. You can come out here, relax, lean over the edge as you would. We're right by the very famous restaurant just up there that does move up and down on the Ascent. But this is lovely, so you can use it as your balcony, but if it's really hot, steaming hot, you know, your missus wants you to shut the door, you've got a bit of noise going on over there, you can simply just close it again. Or if it's raining, etc. Now, if Laura's leaning on it, won't close. Lots of safety features on it, so big thing to note, before you go out, close this window, especially if you're underway, because it does create a bit of a wind vortex, and you'll really struggle to open and close the main door. So do make sure you close this, also for your air conditioning as well. But it's basically an optional balcony, because you can open that, shut these doors, and it's a balcony, or you have it as extended space. So rather than having these permanently shut and you've got to do the big heavy slider doors, and it's optional. I really like that. Optional space, especially if you're doing a cruise that was somewhere cold. It's like a nice conservatory. We've still got the view. I think that is absolutely fantastic. When I saw it, I thought that is amazing. It does get mixed reviews online, but for me personally, I think it makes the room look massive, and then you can have it open like you would a balcony anyway. The balconies on cruises don't have big sun lounges or anything. The max you're going to get is what you've got there, so I really like it myself. Now, the other thing that I love is the bathroom. Come and see the bathroom. It's the biggest bathroom I've ever seen on a cruise. This in here is ginormous. Now, I'm 6'4". It's not 6'4", I'm 6'2". I added 2 foot onto myself there. 6'2", so this is me fully stood up. I've got tons of headroom still. Lovely big sink here with everything going on. I can get ready, do all my hair and everything, you know. And then if I do have a shower and things get a little bit steamy, you know, I can put the little defogger on as well, and it will demist and defog the mirror, which is amazing. And then the shower itself is huge. So in here, again, as you can see, I'm 6'2". Head space is massive. Rain head shower. And then also when I'm shaving my legs, I've got the little foot stand here, so I can shave my legs nicely. All your soaps included. It's massive in here. Look, I can do everything. I've been on a few cruises. I've been lucky enough to do a few cruises in my time, and some of them I've been like trying to wash your hair. That is amazing. Huge, bright, clean, modern. Love the tiles in there. Beautiful. Really, really nice. I'm well impressed. You've got your air conditioning controls just here as well, which is all on your simple modern touchscreen, so you can play with the temperature. We can turn it down a little bit. It's a little bit warm at the moment, so we can play with that and turn it down. You can close the blind, I believe, from here as well. You can do all kinds. It's amazing. The features in here, tons more storage space. Now, the other thing that you will get included with the Aqua is binoculars. So you can have a good look at certain things if you're in the distance. Aye, aye, Captain. So we can have a good look, see if we can spot any dolphins and where we're heading to, Greece, etc. You've got those, obviously you can't take them away. You've also got, if you find yourself caught in the rain, an umbrella with a nice soft handle on it. So if you're going to do a ship excursion, it's raining, you do get use of the umbrella. Again, make sure you put it back though, because they will charge you. You do have a nice soft bag you can use as well, like a beach bag. I don't know whether this is included or not. I don't know whether they'd charge you if you took it away. But this is like a nice soft bag, little beach bag that you can use. Really nice, just nice little touches that you might want to use throughout your trip. But I'm really looking forward to using the spa as well. We'll show you that, the access to the spa that normally you'd have to pay for. So, that is a full room tour. We will let you know throughout our cruise. We've got tons of cruise vlogs coming up. We'll let you know our thoughts on it once we've used it, stayed in it for a few days. But just by touring it now and checking in, I love it. I love that balcony feature. Love the size of the bathroom. And the bed looks super inviting. We've just checked in, but I could literally just jump into bed and have a little nap. It is really, really nice. I'm well impressed. Of course, it's more expensive, but I feel like you're getting quite a lot more for the money, not just in the room, but if you are a spa kind of person, we are. We've paid to use the Disney ones before, those aqua spas and things. So I feel like we're going to get the money's worth out of it. If you're not really a spa person and you're not really interested in having more space, you'd have to weigh up whether it was worth it for you. But this came as a great deal for us. I think it was a cancellation. It popped up when I was searching through cruises. This was the only room on the whole cruise left. It's a full cruise. and I jumped on it and we got a good price. So bring it on. I hope you did enjoy that. And if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you hit the subscribe, and stride on. Get your trip booked on the Celebrity Ascent. They've got a few ships like this with these type of rooms. It's not just the Ascent. There's quite a few in their fleet with ships that do have these rooms, so do consider them. It might be worth a little extra charge for you, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.